Where to find ideal PCB manufacturer? How to find the excellent PCB manufacturer? The answer is in this PCB manufacturer's YouTube channel. Maybe you will say there are many excellent PCB manufacturers in Alibaba and GlobalSources. Yes, there are many good PCB manufacturers in Alibaba and GlobalSources. Some are actual PCB manufacturers, but most of them are just trading companies. These trading companies do not have any production facilities, but they have a lot of experienced marketing people. They can optimize their store in Alibaba and GlobalSources. When you look for excellent PCB manufacturers, when you search for excellent PCB manufacturers in Alibaba and GlobalSources, they always appear at the beginning. When you look into their website, they have many advanced production facilities. But in reality, what they have is an office only. They do not own any PCB factory. In contrast, the actual PCB manufacturers pay attention on production. They are good at PCB manufacturing, but they are not good at marketing. So it's not easy to find them online. In our YouTube channel, you can see our PCBA manufacturing process, our S&T workshop, and the knowledge about the PCB manufacturing business. So if you have any needs about the PCB manufacturing business, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will support you with the real factory price, the competitive PCB manufacturing price for your PCB manufacturing business. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.